Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we compare about the base number 4, E and B, and we can see that number 4 that is about the highest base in here. So we can do about the factorization in here. Next, 4 to the power of s with the root of s. We put this one go outside and we have number 4 in here. Next, about the root, we can put into like this. So we have the formula in here. So when the base with a between 0 and number 1, when s approach to positive infinity, this one we have number 0 in here. So in this situation, this one you got 0, this one you got 0. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. So we have the final answer in here. And we have number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.